here on my channel, Ymir VIP Live. Feel free to like, subscribe, share this video, and feel free to check out my Instagram. So last week, as a family, we went on holiday to Benidorm, and while we were there was a bit where there was a load of doves around, and as we were coming back past, we saw that these kids were putting crumbs on their arm and getting the doves to come onto their arms or their hand. So I did it. I got some on my arm, but Dad didn't record it then. But then we managed to get, for some reason, one wanted to go on my hat, which luckily we did get to record.
Look at those. Hello.
Which is one of my favourite videos of the holiday, which is why it's on both my video intro and on my TikTok. But then each morning when me and Dad went for a walk, we would try again, like we'd take something, crumble it up, and put it on my arms and try and see if we could get the doves to come on my arms. And sometimes I didn't want to do it, or they go on my foot or something, but we did manage to get one or two to go on my hands and on my arm. And I really enjoyed it, especially like if they were on my foot or they were tickling me or something, because I was thinking their beaks and their wings were tickling. It felt like it was tickling me, especially when I had one underneath my leg and its like wings were like just tickling the back of my leg. So I'm really pleased I got to do that. I really wanted to get a dove on my arm. That was like one of the main things I wanted to achieve from the holiday. So I'm really glad I did it. Don't know why it's something I wanted to achieve, but I did. I did it. I had an amazing time. And yeah, I'm just so pleased that I managed to get it on video so that I can show it to you guys. So the rest of the video will just be clips of me with the doves. So thanks for listening. I'll see you guys next one. Bye.
Put your hold your other hand out, Ems. Up a bit. Yeah, up a little. Just hold it up a little bit. Hold it up a little bit now. Just hold it up just a little bit more, and then somebody might jump on your arm. There you go. Hold it up a little bit. Bit more so they can't quite reach. Yep. I think you've run out of there, haven't you? So, yeah, the bag there with some more stuff in it. Hold your hands together. Hold it up a little bit more. That's it. Just so they have to jump up. Hold that hand out as well. Down a bit. Oh, there you go. Very good. Look up at me, Ems. Ems. I think you've run out of there, haven't you? So, yeah, Ems. The bag there with some more stuff in it. Hold your hands together. Hold it up a little bit more. That's it. Just so they have to jump up. Hold that hand out as well. Down a bit. Oh, there you go. Very good. Look up at me, Ems. Ems.